Welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you that how to run any of the best penetration testing OS on your Android phone and how you can set an penetration testing environment or hacking environment in your Android phone. So let's get started. This is our Instagram page, Top Hacker. Please do follow if you like. So we just need to install three applications. First one is Termux, second AnLinux, and third is VNC Viewer. And you can install Hacker's Keypad. If your keyboard is not good, then you can install, but I don't need this. So let's delete it. So just go to your Play Store and type Termux. You'll get the application easily, and we are going to install Parrot Security OS or whatever you want to install, like Kali Linux or Parrot Security or Debian. Any Linux operating systems you can install in our Android phone. We don't need to root this. So let's get started. Just for AnLinux, so we can choose our operating system. So I want to install Parrot Security OS or whatever you want to install. There are a list of operating system that used for hacking or penetration testing. So you can choose whatever you wanna or whatever you wanna feel like free environment. So I choose Parrot Security OS just for demonstration, but you can choose Color Linux because it have more tools and it's good for penetration testing. And there is also Black Arch, Arch Linux, and Fedora, Backbox, CentOS, Kali, Debian, Ubuntu. There is everything. So I choose Parrot Security OS. Just copy this. Um, Step 2 is the copy command to the clipboard. It's pop up with some command lines. So we just copy and just launch, tap on launch. So it will open Termux and just paste it here and tap enter. It will start installing Parrot Security OS. So it will take a little bit long time to install it, I think. What should I do? Should I pause the video or leave this as well? Okay, so I will be back and be okay. It's not completed yet. It's going long and long, 25 MB. So it will download the whole package of Parrot Security OS. So we can easily turn our Android device into a portable hacking device wherever we want to use it. We don't need to carry our laptop or computer. I saw many of people on my Top Hacker Instagram messages that they don't have laptop, so how they can root their phone to use an net hunter, Kali net hunter, or any other tool. So you don't need to root your phone, just install these and you can use freely Kali Linux or whatever you want to use, like Parrot Security OS or any operating system that you want to use for penetration testing or hacking or programming, like that. So seriously, it will taking a long time. 63.80 MB, I don't know, maybe my connection is a little bit slow, that's why it's taking a long time. Okay, it's downloaded complete. Great, it's downloaded tar.gz file, so it's decompressing. Please be patient. Patience is the most important in your hacking life, so you have to be patient every time. because sometimes you are trying to cracking someone's passwords or anything, you have to be patient there, because hacking is not like a magic. It's okay. So our operating system has been launched, and now we need a GUI user interface to view our desktop and get the themed connections. So let's get go back and again on AnLinux. So we have to set a desktop environment. Just tap on that. It's important. Sometime installing desktop environment will take around 1 GB space. Having 1.5 GB space paired is recommended. So you have to care about that. If you don't have enough space or storage in your phone, don't run the Linux operating system. Your phone may be hanged. Or so we installed Parrot Security OS. So we need to set a desktop environment with Parrot Security OS. We are getting warning, only run this command inside the Linux system and not in Termux, otherwise it will not work. Please choose a distro to set up the environment. We choose Kali Linux operating system. Again, it's XFCE4 is recommended, so we choose that one. Okay, we got the command, so we need to just copy this apt-get update and apt-get install wget. So let's copy this, and we got the ads on. Just cut this and go back our Termux and paste it in your Termux operating system. So we just paste it here, and it's retrieving our connection on localhost machine, and it's downloading mirror desktop GUI interface. So maybe it will take a little bit long time, but let's see. This is really awesome. You can use your desktop in your Android phone. You don't need laptops or desktop, and you can even travel with this anywhere. You can take this in phone. After this operation, 854 MB of additional disk will be sorry. It says it need at least 1 GB of disk space after this installation. That means you need a lot of storage in your phone. Before you do this, you need a lot of storage in your phone and at least 4 GB of your RAM memory. Okay, so it's going and going. Let me show you my phone configuration. I don't recommend to use this setting in your low phones, like 2 GB of space or 2 GB RAM. Its processor is Qualcomm Snapdragon octa-core. It's new one, and the RAM is 4 GB. And we have 8 core CPU generation, so it's really fast. I don't recommend you to use this setting in low phones, they don't have like 2 GB RAM space or low memory. Your phone may be hanged or stopped working or maybe crashed. So I recommend minimum of 4 GB of your RAM memory. That's very important. So it's completed already. 67, 68, 69. We really have to take a patience, a lot of patience. It's need a lot of patience. Okay, so I'm gonna pause the video because I don't want to make this video so long. Okay, so download has been completed, but now it's unpacking the whole packages that we need to there, and it's waiting and start via TCSA plus for Restarian, and it's setting its library and all the things for our environment to run smoothly. Okay, so now it's unpacking, preparing to first. It's unpacking and preparing the whole library and the environment that we need on desktop. Okay, so I'm gonna pause this video again. Let this complete. It's really taking such a long time. Still, it's unpacking and preparing for the packages. Guys, it's really taking a long time, long and long. It's not finished yet. I don't know how long it will gonna take. That's really taking a long time. Okay, let's have a look somewhere else where we can. Let's have a look on our Instagram page. This is our page, Top Hacker. We are also updating our videos and the hacking tutorials there, and also some memes and yeah, news as well. Like you see, please do follow Top Hackers. That's all. Still going on, still not completed, guys. Seriously, it will gonna take a long and long and long time, and I'm going to okay, so finally it's done, and it's over now. It's we got the desktop configuration setting. Now it's saying which language we want to choose an operating system. So there are different languages like English, US, Cherokee, and Rook, and all the countries. So we choose one, English US. Just hit enter, and it will start again setting up some things. Invoke burst reversal, host reload failed. Okay, so it's falling back to front end and reading lines. Building database of manual pages. So I think it will again take a little bit long time. So again, I'm gonna pause this video. Okay, so that's database over. We need to set our administrator password. So I will set the Linux default password TOOR tour. Whoops, that string password is too short. Okay, let's say 2 at the rate 123. No. Okay, we will set that later. Okay, so our VNC server has been started there, 127.0.0.0.1, and the port address is 5901. So let's connect with that to get our desktop. 127 dot 0 dot oops, 0 dot 0 dot 1, and the port address is 5901. Was gone. Yeah, 5901. That's our port address. Just give it any computer name, like will be Varian Word. Okay, so let's try to connect. The port on which the computer is using for connection could not be connected. I know the reason. I think something went wrong. Just a minute. Actually, I did mistake on there on the port number. I forgot to give a column. We need just add one more column. Then it's ready to go. Okay, so we need to set up first our VNC server password. Let's set the password. Let me know. 123. Warning: password terminated of the length of the age verify. Okay, let me know. 123. Would you like to enter a view only password? Yep. Let me know. That's again saying okay. Let's set the password again. Let me know. Log file remote desktop localhost 1 starting application specify when c start of log file. Okay, so I think let's get started. So let's go back again and try to connect. It's showing encrypted connection. That's okay. So we have to type our password. Let me know, and the 123. Turn on the remember password. Let's see. Connect. Oh, we got the. And there is some tutorial about the how you can control, like pinch the two finger to zoom out and touch the two finger and drag position the mouse cursor, tap with one finger, left click. That's the tutorial. If you want, you can let me off the rotation lock, so we can landscape mode. We can use the landscape mode. Okay, so we can use also like additional mouse or keypad to control our operating system, and we can also enlarge the system settings. Like, okay, let's cut this. Disconnect. No, I don't want to disconnect. Just unpin this. To show toolbar again, swipe down from okay. Go back, man. That's good. Now it's good. Welcome to the first start of the panel. On empty, use default configuration. Okay, use default configuration. So we are in Parrot security operating system. We successfully, you can see this is our Parrot security operating system we successfully installed. Now you're thinking about the what the problem there, that we didn't that time we are getting error. So because of say why we are getting error on that time, I'm sure some of you guys thinking about that, because actually I tried with my default password, because every Linux have their own default password. So I tried with Kali Linux default password TOOR Tor. So it says it's too short, please try something else like 8-character long password or 6-digit long password. So that's why, and I didn't set the password and tried to connect that our remote desktop, but it's unencrypted. It's not encrypted because we are not using any server. We are just installed that operating system in our local host server. There is if we install any operating system in our computer, that will store in hard disks and hardware and every tool. And this Android phone, if we install the here operating system, we need to download manually our every and each tool because it's installed in localhost. So if you want to run any tools like Metasploit or any social engineering tools or anything, you have to manually install all the configuration tool because it haven't installed yet. Let me cut this and let me show you. See, there is, if you go on computer or laptop operating systems, you'll see there are a lot of applications that will inbuilt in Parrot Security OS or any other operating system. But in this Android version, we have to manually install our all packages and tools like Metasploit and forensic tools, reverse engineering tools, and every kind of tools we have to manually install there. And if you don't want to use this like GUI interface because it's contain too much RAM and memory space, you can simply switch on our Termux because it's also Parrot terminal. Let me configure my IP address. IP config. Oops, config. Okay, I think that's not there. Let me try that there. So guys, I hope you liked it, and I did. Where is the keypad? Yeah, there's the keypad. So let me, where is my terminal? That's the problem with the Android device, we can't see the full screen. And you can also use the external keypad or mouse. That's the problem. CONFIG. Let's hit enter. Oops, I typed wrong. I hope. Did I try? No. I don't know, maybe this package isn't installed in this. That's why. So we need to manually install every applications and everything. This is our desktop documents, download music and root. So we get that operating system GUI. And thank you for watching guys, hope you enjoyed it and learned something. So I just want to tell you that you don't need to root your phone and crash your phone, because I got many of my friends that saying that hey, how I can root my phone because I want to make my Android phone hacking device and portable hacking device and blah blah blah. But I want to tell you one thing, that don't root your phone for just making an portable hacking device or installing any kind of tool and tutorials. Just follow these steps to install a proper operating systems and work in proper environment. Let me disconnect. That's it for guys today, hope you enjoyed it. If you really like this video, give a thumbs up and do subscribe if you aren't subscribed yet. Thank you.